The Mould King 17070 excavator is an impressive model with over 4,700 pieces, offering a challenging and rewarding building experience for enthusiasts. Once assembled, this remote-controlled excavator features a fully functional boom lift, a rotatable operator's console, and a realistic bucket operation, providing an engaging play experience. It offers flexible control options, allowing operation via a remote or a mobile app, enhancing the versatility and enjoyment of the model. The set is designed to be both educational and entertaining, promoting STEM skills such as creativity and problem-solving through hands-on building. Perfect for collaborative building projects, this set is an ideal gift for birthdays or holidays, promising fun and bonding time with family or friends. With its detailed design and sturdy construction, the Mould King 17070 excavator ensures hours of immersive play and a sense of achievement upon completion.